Air conditioning installation is completed by experienced companies. Needing air conditioning installation is common, especially in areas that have hot climates. This is one of the most important systems in your home, and it offers a way to cool your entire home whenever it is needed. Suffering from heat is not fun. To find relief, people will go inside their homes or into buildings where there is cool air. This is an easy way to cool off, and it is accomplished through this type of system. You may need this type of system if you are building a home, or if you live in an older home that does not have it, or if it is not working. When you need this type of system for your home, call an experienced HVAC company. They will not only be able to help you out with a new system, but they also offer numerous other services that you might be interested in. Companies like this specialize in helping people out with air conditioner installation and any services related to this. They will be able to help with any size job, big or small. They will also help by making recommendations. These companies understand all of the factors of these systems. They also know what is currently used and recommended for the best efficiency. They can help a homeowner choose which one to place in the home, and they will help you make this decision using several factors. One of the main factors is the size of the home. The other factor is how much money a person's budget is. To purchase systems that are extremely efficient, the prices are usually slightly higher. This is one main factor that must be determined before the choice is made. When you choose a company, you should always make sure that the company is licensed, bonded and certified. They should also be fully insured and have a good reputation. By looking into these factors, you will have a better chance of finding a company that will provide the best types of results. Air conditioning installation must be conducted properly. If everything is not put in correctly or thoroughly, it may not work well. It may work enough to cool your home, but it may not be working as efficiently as possible. You will want to make sure the company you choose has experience with this and has a good reputation for quality work. One important thing to remember is that you should periodically have this component serviced. Routine checkups on this will ensure that everything is working well. This will offer better efficiency, and you can often prevent major problems from occurring. Companies like this will not only install air conditioning systems, but they can help maintain them and keep them running great. If you have not had yours checked lately, consider having this done. The cost for this service is very affordable, and it may help you save money in the future. You can stay cool all year round by having a system that is running great. In Naples, air conditioner installation from experienced technicians helps residents beat the heat and enjoy the dog days. Cool down with the team at http://www.romeoair.com. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Aaliyah_Arthur/663273